Hi, I'm Genevieve Robinson, Regional Councillor for Christchurch Central, Ōhoko ward. Having seen in both Littleton and Akaroa some of our Hector's dolphins, that in particular, that was an experience I would never forget because I didn't actually realise we had our own native dolphin species. And after sort of like looking into the hurdles they faced for survival, one key aspect was fisheries, and I knew that that was something that we could at least control, make it more sustainable and push it back from the coast if necessary. So I guess this has been sort of a tangent or a pathway I've been trying to take for about 10 years. The community was on my side and we pushed together for more coastal protection. So instead of it being notified now in 2028, the Coastal Environment Plan has been brought forward through the LTP process to 2025 for beginning that process. So I find that really quite, I guess, an indication of the community's priorities as well. We have the Youth Rōpu, and it's really important that we engage with these people and listen to them, because I'll tell you what, having a debate with some of these young people, you can lose sometimes because they're so up with the play on the current issues, and I really enjoy it. And you actually think in a different way that you normally wouldn't at the table. It was once considered as a drainage system that got rid of issues from people's backyards, but the fact is it may have been once that river, but today I think we're all quite aware of the fact that everything that is in the river ends up at the sea, and the whole mountains to the sea scenario really needs to be ingrained in the urban environment. I think it's just really important that you do the things you naturally do, and that might be hang around with your children after school at the school and talk to mothers and dads and teachers, and that really creates a very good, I guess, chance to talk to people about many things. And I would say, you know, that's really pivotal to actually be included in those groups rather than just one by one in a cafe. Natives are mostly fire resistant. They hold on to soils and sediment. They control many things, and the more dense the better. So I think what happens, like in this river, if it's planted natively, like in these gardens, we could actually deal with a lot of issues in the rivers.